In this video, we are going to talk about can Bitcoin still make you rich? So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Making money with Bitcoin is becoming more challenging. Prices have plummeted as a result of the broad crypto meltdown. Free Bitcoin promises are frequently deceptive. Bitcoin mining, which was once accessible to ordinary investors, is now so competitive that it is rarely lucrative for people with tiny setups. However, it is still possible to profit from Bitcoin. It can be traded, lent, held, or earned. Returns on this volatile asset are not assured. Just as you can make money when the price rises, you can also lose money when the price falls. However, Bitcoin's rise since its inception has some cryptocurrency investors optimistic about its future. One Bitcoin was valued roughly 9 cents in 2010, and as of this writing, each coin is worth about $16,000. Here, the list of the ways Bitcoin still have to make you rich. Let's start. Number 6. Day trading Bitcoin. It is technically conceivable to profit by buying and selling Bitcoin in quick bursts, changing positions as the market changes. However, as with day trading equities, you are significantly more likely to lose money this way. Stock day traders employ macroeconomic and microeconomic data, market trends dating back to the birth of the stock market, and other tools to make educated judgments about which stocks to purchase or sell. Even yet, these active traders are unable to match the returns that may be obtained by purchasing and keeping. Example, low-cost funds that track a wide market index. Investors have significantly less data on Bitcoin's behavior under various economic conditions, making predicting its price swings even more challenging. Furthermore, regular cryptocurrency trading can rapidly turn into a nightmare during tax season. You'll need to keep meticulous records of what you bought and sold, as well as the various price points involved. If you're thinking about becoming a frequent cryptocurrency trader, consult with your accountant first to make sure you know what to keep track of. Number 5. Accepting payments in Bitcoin. Consider offering the option to pay in Bitcoin if you take payments or tips for side gigs or a business. This is possible with sites that provide processing services, such as Coinbase or BitPay. The setup is straightforward, but understanding the tax consequences and risks connected with taking Bitcoin payments can be more difficult. Coinbase's self-managed account can be activated right away. BitPay takes a few days to approve, but once confirmed, you can accept a variety of cryptocurrencies. Keep in mind that if you want to gain exposure to Bitcoin, you should choose a solution that allows you to accept payments in Bitcoin. While BitPay and Coinbase allow you to receive funds in this manner, other processors only allow you to accept funds in fiat currency. Number 4. Lending Bitcoin. If you already have some Bitcoin, you can make money by lending it to other investors or institutions. Cake DeFi, for example, allows users to lend fractional shares of Bitcoin at interest rates as high as 5% APY. However, lending requirements vary per platform. For example, if the borrower you're lending to fails, you could lose some or all of your investment using Gemini Earn, Gemini's interest-earning programmer, and Cake DeFi. Crypto financing is likewise a newer industry with a high amount of risk and uncertainty. Notably, numerous platforms discontinued lending services in 2022. Gemini informed consumers on November 16, 2022, that they may be unable to withdraw funds from Gemini Earn, a program that pays up to 8%. Number 3. Using a credit card with Bitcoin rewards. There are numerous crypto credit cards that will allow you to earn cryptocurrency rewards. You can earn a tiny percentage of your purchases with the card, similar to standard cashback programmers, and this can be paid out in Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. Some companies provide sign-up incentives that allow you to earn extra prizes if you meet certain conditions. Keep in mind that your Bitcoin rewards may be lowered by transaction fees or a provider-added spread. When the issuer of a crypto credit card has a spread that applies to rewards, it implies you'll get a somewhat less favorable exchange rate when both earning and selling those crypto rewards. Number 2. Mining. It is one of the best ways to make a lot of money using Bitcoin. Solving cryptographic riddles and contributing new blocks to the Bitcoin blockchain network can earn a lot of money. It consists of 2 types of mining. That is, personal mining is done on an individual basis. Because Bitcoin has achieved popular recognition, it is regarded as one of the most difficult cryptocurrencies to mine. Bitcoin's supply is limited in comparison to its demand. As a result, after determining the electricity and maintenance charges, you may have to battle to generate significant profits. But in cloud mining, most people choose cloud mining because it does not require any ongoing fees or escalating electricity expenditures. The contract requires only a one-time payment. It also does not necessitate the purchase of any software or hardware. As a result, it has become a terrific alternative to personal mining because you continue to receive your piece of the cake. Your earnings are purely determined by the plane you select and the amount of electricity used at the site where the cloud mining service is housed. Before you jump into the pool and invest your money in a mining company, all that is required is information and skill. Number 1. Holding Bitcoin. Many people place their faith in simple formulas. For example, purchasing a commodity at a cheap price, holding it till the iron becomes hot, and then selling/retaining it further. Long-term investors typically take this method. Get a Bitcoin wallet to purchase Bitcoins. Invest, hold, and sell. Buying and holding Bitcoin as a long-term investment, or as some crypto aficionados refer to it, hodling can be a low-effort strategy to make money in the long run, as long as the price at which you sell it is greater than the one at which you got it. Bitcoin's price has previously reached as high as $65,000 per coin, so it's likely that it will reach a similar level in the future. Bitcoin was first envisioned as a cryptocurrency that could be used for day-to-day transactions, but as its value has risen, many investors have begun to see Bitcoin as a long-term investment. As with any investment, holding for a longer period of time requires you to withstand price fluctuations without being tempted to buy or sell. If you decide to acquire and hold Bitcoin, be sure you're not overly exposed to any single asset and that you're not investing money you can't afford to lose. One rule of thumb is to invest no more than 10% of your portfolio in hazardous assets such as Bitcoin. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching and see you next time.